Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin your folders in the taskbar. Here you can see in the taskbar we have other things as it is like they are all pinned, but we don't have any folders here. So now I need to pin the folders here. So how I can do it? Just simply go to the folder. This is my folder. Just and I want to pin this folder in my taskbar. Just click on this folder by right click, and here we have an option pin to the taskbar. Click on this taskbar pin, and here you can see if I close this folder, like I'm going to close this folder, still our folder is pinned here. If we change the position, we can also do this by only drag and drop. By following these simple steps, you can easily pin your folder in your taskbar. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.